Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to make garments pattern. Today is my topic is a Lego mutton sleeve. Lego mutton sleeve is just like a mutton leg. The call is Lego mutton sleeve. Okay, let's start. Lego mutton sleeve. I have a basic sleeve pattern. You see this one, and you can measure your elbow. You can measure your elbow, whatever your elbow length. You can mark it around 10 to 11, maybe 11 centimeter. This mark is here. Now I am going to continue that line. This is the elbow measurement, and this one is my center line. This is my center line. And this is my armhole line. You can draw also equally line, and same line another part. You see, and you can cut same here also. You can use the waste paper. Just a minute. First you have to draw one line, and you can put on the line, you see, this part and that part. Okay. Yeah, you see, and you can hold some weight and you can flare equally. You can flare your pattern equally. You can do is like this, and now you can draw line, because there is little bit I need more fabric, more paper, so I will going to add some paper here also. Okay, see, and you can draw a smooth line like this. Okay, this is your sleeve pattern is done. And now yeah, this is your basic pattern, and this one is your new pattern. And now you are start, is gather till here. This is your gather part. And you put gather, not gather. You can put is pleats. I think the pleats is fine. When you put the pleats, and you can join, your sleeve is coming like this. Okay guys, I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, see you later.